What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to play Steam games on your Android or iOS device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. The first step is to get the Steam Link app on your smartphone. Head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Steam Link. Proceed to download and install this application. Once the app is downloaded, open it up. You'll be prompted to pair your mobile device with the computer on which you're using Steam. Make sure both devices are using the same network connection. When this is done, launch Steam on your PC. Click on Steam in the top left corner to access your launcher settings. From here, click on Remote Play. Ensure the Enable Remote Play option is checked. Also, adjust the streaming quality settings based on your network speed. Back on your phone, you'll see your computer listed in the app. Tap on it and you're in. You will see your Steam library right on your phone screen. Select the game you want to play and hit play. Your game will start streaming from your computer to your phone. For the best experience, ensure your computer is connected to the router using an Ethernet cable. And if you're on iOS, you might want to connect your phone via Bluetooth to reduce latency. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.